Welcome back to the North Gate. We are actually in winter, 12/14. The next day there is an ice storm come through. So we got this contractor coming up. He's still working away. And he's done for the day. Alright, nice blue truck on the 16th. This is after the ice storm. So not sure exactly where he's going to be going. Because there's a lot of trees down at the moment. May not look like it from this video here, but the road only goes up from here. He was only up there about an hour. I think he gave up. Okay, contractor back. $10.45. Don't think he realized how bad the roads were up there either. A lot of trees down. Okay, 12/19, 14/11. I think this is a contractor. Got a pole saw on the back. He's probably up there to trim some trees out of a driveway. $12.43. Not even an hour. Forgot something in the truck. And the contractor is back. And there he goes out at the end of the day, which he didn't haul a thing. Off to the south gate. Well, we actually didn't make it down to the south gate, so there's no videos from there because we had this nice ice storm. And as you can see, this is partly on my road. This is what we had to cut out to get up to the property. Yeah. All day thing, and I'm not cutting it out all the way down the south gate. We'll do that later. Thanks for watching, and that's all we got for this time.